A decimal is a way of writing a number that is not whole. A decimal point is a point or dot used to separate the whole part of the number from the fractional part of the number. A decimal has numbers on two sides of it. The numbers on the left-hand side of the decimal point are the whole part of the number, and on the right side of the decimal point are the number of decimal places. For example, the number 8.75 would have two decimal places, 7 and 5. The decimal number 0.125 would have three decimal places, 1, 2, and 5. Decimals are used to write a number that is not whole, meaning decimal numbers are numbers that are in between two whole numbers. For example, 5.5 would be a decimal number, as it is in between the numbers 5 and 6. 5.5 is less than 6, but greater than 5. A decimal number is the exact same as a fraction. It is just written in a different way. For example, 5.5 is the exact same as 5.5. A fraction that is written as 4/10 will be written in decimal form as 0.4. An easy way to learn decimal numbers is by imagining a 100-square grid. If 20 small squares are colored in, that is 20 over 100. As a fraction and as a decimal, this number would be written as 0.2. We say 0.2, not 0.20, because decimals do not finish in 0.